Due to the unprecedented growth in Pakistan's population, the demand for energy has risen exorbitantly, with the consumption continuing to remain ahead of the national supply. However, Pakistan's power generation fuel mix is not sustainable. It has high share of oil-based power generation, up to 32%, resulting in high cost of electricity production. There has been a 5,000 to 7,000 megawatts shortfall in the country during peak hours. Due to this, over 51 million people are left with no electricity. The sustainability of Pakistan's power sector would only be possible if the power distribution system is improved by controlling electricity theft, remedying inefficiencies, and improving recoveries. It is due to these inefficiencies on the distribution side that a circular debt of 1 trillion has ballooned up on Pakistan's energy sector. There are 4 key regulatory bodies in the power sector's value chain. WAPDA is responsible for water and hydropower in Pakistan. PEPCO is responsible for thermal power generation. It manages 4 government-owned generation companies: GENCOs, National Transmission and Dispatch Company, and 9 electric distribution companies. NTDC procures power from GENCOs, WAPDA, and IPPs. K Electric is responsible for generation, transmission, and distribution of electricity in Karachi. NEPRA is the regulatory body for the entire value chain. How is Engro Energy helping Pakistan's energy sector? Engro Corporation has envisioned energy generation as the key to unlocking Pakistan's economic prosperity. Engro Energy Limited was incorporated in 2008 to develop power projects in Pakistan. With a vision to energize Pakistan for a better tomorrow, Engro Energy Limited aims to use indigenous sources to fuel, generate, operate, and evacuate 25% of the total generated power in Pakistan by 2025 as part of its 25 by 25 strategy. What is Engro's first independent power project, Engro PowerGen Qadirpur, doing? It is a 217 megawatts power plant, which employs a unique concept in energy conservation. It utilizes low BTU permeate gas for reduced carbon emissions, making it the only green facility of its kind in Pakistan. This unique project utilizes high sulfur gas, which was being flared and wasted through Qadirpur gas fields for almost a decade. Engro Corp, through its subsidiary Engro Energy Limited, owns 68.9% of the shares in Engro PowerGen Qadirpur Limited. In pursuit of exploring the alternative avenues for energy, Engro entered into a strategic long-term partnership with the government of Sindh and established the Sindh Engro Coal Mining Company Limited as a public-private partnership venture to mine coal from Thar Block 2. Thar Block 2 has exploitable coal reserves of approximately 2 billion tons. The project is listed amongst the early harvest projects under CPEC to generate electricity utilizing Thar's untapped coal reserves. Engro Corp, through its subsidiary Engro Energy Limited, owns 11.9% of the shares in Sindh Engro Coal Mining Company. Engro PowerGen Thar Limited, the first ever Thar-based 660 megawatts lignite coal power plant. Engro Corp, through its subsidiary Engro Energy Limited, owns 50.1% of the shares in Engro PowerGen Thar Limited. Engro Energy Limited contributed 12% to Engro Corp's consolidated bottom line in 2017. How is energy generated? The main inputs are water, steam, and fuel. Boilers are used to burn any particular fuel to make steam. The steam is then fed under high pressure to a turbine. The turbine spins and a shaft is connected to a turbo generator that changes the mechanical spinning energy into electricity. Thar Foundation has been set up to ensure that the net effect of the projects is of positive change. It has constructed schools in collaboration with TCF, providing primary and secondary education to a total of 5,000 students. 82-bed Thar Foundation Indus Hospital is being constructed at Islamkot. Development of revolutionary biosaline agriculture which will make droughts unheard of in Thar. Training of Thari female dumper truck drivers encourages women empowerment in the region. Provisioning of clean drinking water is made possible with 5 reverse osmosis plants, making Islamkot the first SDG-compliant tehsil of Pakistan by 2024. All project affectees of Block 2 are being made the shareholders of SECMC.